Hey Andy. Okay, so here we are. Just to recap, this is your 62 MAS, which I didn't do anything to it. It just, well, I blew off the dial for fun. But I did put on this new strap. This strap maker is actually, his stuff is really good. It's pricey, but it's nicely made. Nicely made. Anyway, so there's that. This is all good to go. This one, again, what I did with this is I noticed there were some scratches on the crystal, so I just polished the crystal briefly for you. I didn't service it or anything. It is decently accurate, as you said. I mean, it's keeping pretty sweet time. Super compressor case. I never heard of one of these before. Lip. Or that the fact that Jacques Cousteau popularized one of these. I actually found one on eBay for a decent price and I picked it up. This is another one of those the straps that you bought, Jones of Tokyo. Again, his stuff is nicely made, nicely made. I actually want to see about getting this exact strap for mine that I have coming. That's going to be good. This 6309, it's a real mystery. Because what happened was, here's the date wheel. The date wheel, one of the teeth was bent straight down. So it stopped, and because it stopped, this is the date driving wheel on the bottom, and this got just ground off on one side. The teeth got all ground off because the watch movement trying to push this over, but it wouldn't move. I have no idea how that could have happened because I wouldn't have even been able to install this date wheel with it bent like that. It wouldn't have worked, and the problem would have come up in testing almost immediately. So I'm not sure what's up with that, but it's all fixed now and all better now, and it's on this strap also, Jones in Tokyo. Nice piece. And lastly, this lovely piece. I'm very pleased with how this came out. Now, I know it's been a while, but you may remember this watch had some moisture intrusion, and so it had black corrosion around all the lume windows and on the top of this sweep, and this Seiko was mostly black. Now, I have super special secret techniques, and I was able to remove basically all of that blackness from all of these things. That's the original finish on everything revealed again after I got rid of the black here. You'll see if you look very closely in reflection, you can see a little bit of pitting around the sweep hands, but that's it. The actual corrosion, like the black grux sitting on top of the hand metal, that's gone. Beautiful piece. That is a beautiful watch. Anyway, that's about it. So those are going to get packed up and out of here today for you, and thank you so much. I can't wait for my super compressor lip to come in so I can do a yesterday's watch review today on it. Electronic, which means it's a electrically powered mechanical balance watch, super compressor with an internal live bezel. Pretty wild. Okay, thank you for introducing me to this one. Cool. All right, thanks, man.